Hey guys, in this session we'll install Python and set up an IDE for writing and running Python code. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit python.org. Navigate to the downloads section. The website automatically shows the latest Python version for your operating system. Click on the download button to get the installer for Python 3.13.1, which is the latest stable version. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and you will see the installation wizard. So here you'll see a checkbox that says add Python to path at the bottom. Check it. This makes it easier to run Python from the command prompt. Then click on install now and begin the installation. This process will take a few moments. When it's complete, click on close. Now we'll check if Python is correctly installed or not. To do this, we'll open command prompt and now we'll type Python space dash dash version and press enter. This will show us the version number for the Python installed. In our case, it should be 3.13.1. This means that we have successfully installed Python on our machine.